We'll be chilling and
It's Christmas.
good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter. It is
Merry Christmas from the Williams family to yours.
So hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So it's another day and we are currently on our way in town. See, I got the posse with us today. Mario, say hi.
Give it to me for a quick yawn.
Mario. Mario.
In bed.
Say, oh, he's upset, guys. Oh, sorry. So yeah, I'm heading into town again today because the stuff we're supposed to get done wasn't able to. So we just made a quick stop, guys. And yeah, I got, as you can see here, so I have some fried chicken with festival. I got myself some chicken soup, and of course, let me show you. I got my whole thing festival here. Which, huh? What they have? Coconut water? What they have? What kind of juice?
They have ginger beer, they have Pepsi, they have...
Champagne.
You say you want Pepsi? You want champagne?
I'll take the Pepsi.
They have pineapple, no champagne.
I'll take the pineapple. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, Papa woke up. There's the back there stuff in your face. Oh, Romario, no! Put the straw in, Papa. So, yeah, guys, we are eating. So we're on our way into town, but I had to stop because yes, they pack up my stomach. I didn't get to drink anything yet for morning.
Gimme. Gimme, hit me.
And these,
Romario.
take it from him, Rissa. You know, keep up. Romario.
Grip on it, not me.
So I'm going to eat and get back to you guys shortly. Alright. We are back in business.
Where do you handle buying your
So,
that's just so far.
we have reached in town. Yeah, we finally reached in town.
Watch him play with this in Ronya. Stop pressing.
Where?
Stop pressing.
What's that?
Your pine done.
A pea.
Yes, your
So
pea.
yeah, we're reaching town. We're about to go head in to oh babes, in there go do something there first. The machine. We are going to go into active. Yeah, so we are gonna go active, go check out and see what they have in there. Because we need to get started on this house. So, I say Anna chicken me a jerk, but then Kane got things to do, so gotta start getting them done. But through all the work and stuff, we definitely gonna have our lesion as well. I'll do right here, yeah, and have some fun time as well. So we're gonna work a little bit. Yeah, that's the new one too, the Grand Depot.
Oh, that's up here?
Yeah, that's a new that's a new a new market there. Yeah.
You can't turn back right, that's all. People in the turn back.
Oh, what is going on here? Crazy. See, so now they have furniture in this one down here too, babes, which is nice finally.
So the car center move? Alright,
I think that's where maybe it over there. So that's nice. I like that because then you don't have to go to Kingston all the way anymore. Yeah. Instead of going to Kingston to go to Active, drive all the way there just to go see what you want to see. Here, they have them here, which I am happy that they have. So. Yeah, so let's get in there, guys. You and Patty, you know, just need food. Okay, so we'll catch you guys inside. Okay, here we go. Woohoo. Oh Lord. I think that's their warehouse probably there, babe. Okay, let's go see what can be done. Oh, hello. Ooh, look, okay. And now I see what I'm looking for. This is my type of store. Beautiful. Babes, where are you going? Huh? Oh, over there, so look up here. You're not even, you just, what? Okay, guys. This is nice. See, there's a big one. That one. Okay. They're over, where are those the shower ones there? Vegas, remember I talk about football tile. Oh, look. So these are what these are 31.5 by some. See, babe, what about this for the stairs? Okay, could I use that? Keep it simple. Wait, what's something there? What's up? Babe, are those the shower ones there? Okay, we'll go look at the shower. Oh, I'm gonna see there's something there. Are these the only ones that they have? Try something. But it's not like. I'm gonna see there's something there like the one. I don't know what. Huh? Oh, where you park? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think this is like the color that we have in the house right now. Yeah.
So I just want to.
This, I think this mother wants from the outside towel.
Look at this to me or to me with Savannah.
Oh, these are still too big though.
What? Backside.
Where you going up there, sir?
Look at this picture up there, look.
Yeah, but I'm not ready to go for furniture yet. I need to look for the floor tile.
Look at the
See
Christmas
this
tree.
one here? Holy, this is huge. So this is what we'd want to put on the floor. But I'm trying to find the actual size. Okay. It's about 4,400 and something dollars. Oh, the door. Let me go look for it. Okay, we're gonna go find it. That I really first. See, I would put this on the stairs. I like that one.
Doesn't that make it cold?
Or even this one. I like this one for the stairs too.
No, this one's the best one.
Move yourself over and try and fucking tile them. So it's this one. So this is the sorted stone, and this is the lily white. Let me see. And then you have these ones.
I don't know better.
This one's 12 something. Yeah, that's one black. Yeah, but they have more over there. Yeah, wait for Mario. Maria move yet? I see them gone, look. Yeah. Huh? But me want to go look at the doors. I don't know where Maria is. But so far, I see those ones are the only ones that I see so far. So far, so good. Actually, those ones too. But I don't see. Let's go look for something. What are you doing in there? Hello. So guys, we're in here and undecided on some stuff. We're undecided on the bathroom door, the living room door, the room doors, the tile. We have an idea. Well, I know what I want, but then the kids are just a little bit undecisive. So yeah, sorry, I'm probably gonna have to mute a lot of this because there's Christmas music playing. Papa! Here, this one? Shit, this is white. Hell no. That looks funny. Like color. No, like that one. Okay, this one's fine. This one. Or this one looks great.
I like these. Feel it. Feel it.
Yeah?
Yeah, exactly. Because you have different shape and so you don't like the one there. You see the one here, you can get one different. See these? These are different.
What about this one then? Okay, well, this one is fine, okay? Yeah, it doesn't have the extra. So would you like go with that one? Which one looks stronger?
That's those quite for installation work.
These sides.
Yes.
Oh Lord. You see how big and bulky and boxy that I like the one without the S strap, so that's what I'm looking for. But this looks just so huge. That don't look sleek. Oh. I like this one because it's just narrow and it's sleek. But remember, so this one probably flimsy like this because it's display. Oh, you know, that's already different. You can sit on my feet one time. What is the issue? Is it the way like? Eh?
Yes, this one is moving. This is moving.
Yeah, I know.
This is looking. That's
So putting
looking.
it across all these. But that one is like huge, babe. That one over there, and it looks shorter. What about this one?
The back partner needs to do
What about this one?
the same piece for my house. They need to go and get their piece for us.
So that one, the wideness of it, what would that mean? Do you have to get a shorter thing then? The wideness of that one. Do you see how big it was? The back? The cover is the only issue, but I'm looking at how wide this stuff is. How big that is.
be a double way.
Like this way.
Yeah, but you're not going to come with that way. We're getting ready.
But you have the room?
We don't get a double.
No, we're not going double.
It's been a busy day. Whoa. I did that. Was that an extra lane? Oh Lord. So everything we wanted to get, like we literally just got out of active. It is now what time? 3:03.
304.
And we've been in active since 12 o'clock?
12 before that. You didn't put about 12 o'clock?
I don't know. I would have to look back on the time. Okay, so we saw the stuff. We see things that we want, but unfortunately they don't have. And for my question for Active Kingston, why is it that Active Montego Bay don't have the exact same things that you guys have? And it's the same company? Or is the same company, or maybe is it different owned? Is it a franchise business? I would like to know, because generally, yeah. Anybody know?
Romario, stop.
If anybody know if it's a franchise business, definitely let me know. Or is it the same people that own Active in Kingston, own the one in Montego Bay? Because how is it that you guys are showing certain tiles and doors, and when you go to the Montego Bay area to get that, they don't have it. And then the thing is not even that. If you see something that they have, you can't even order it from, like the Montego Bay Active cannot order it from Kingston for them to get it delivered down. That makes no sense to me. I would really and genuinely like to know. It's just crazy because, okay, we saw the doors that we wanted first, then they didn't have it. Then we went to our second best doors. They still didn't have those. Then we went to the third best one. Still didn't have it. I was like, oh my goodness. And when you guys don't have something in stock, why do you guys put a red little dot on it? Usually red means sale, right? They should put not in stock. Or yeah, not in stock, out of stock. That would be feasible. Like, it's just crazy. Right? Because it's not everybody that goes there knows what the little red dot means. And it's generally confusing. Like, oh my goodness. So then we went on to tiles now. I seen a tile that I love, and yet it's a very big tile, and yet they don't have it in smaller size. Right? And it's the big tile. Only two come in one box. And then they had a different pattern. There was another tile that I saw, but I'm not gonna go spend a bag of money and get that tile because it kind of looks like the one that I want. No, I want what I want. And it's just crazy because the tile that you guys advertise, even on your Instagram and your TikTok page at Active, right? It's not in the Montego Bay store. I was like, so can't you order it? And even online. So the stuff you cannot order, the stuff that you want, you have to go to Kingston. Like, that is so inconvenience to people like myself and other people that live in other areas that have to go so far. And I do love Active stuff. I really do like your guys' stuff. But the inconvenience, oh man, that's so crazy. I hope the new big store that you guys open up, and even certain furniture. We went upstairs, we're looking at the bed set furnitures and stuff like that. Certain things that we wanted, and they don't even have it. But I was like, but I see them advertising. It's on the website, and even not even just on the website, because a lot of things that's in your guys' store in Kingston is not even on the website. That's another thing. So I guess I'm just kind of ranting, because I've been in there for how much hours, back and forth. And then finally, when we decided, even on the shower floor tiles now, you have the exact amount. There's no more left of the one that I want. So even if like the tile are messed up and cut something wrong or break off, chip off a piece of tile, I can't get an extra tile. And if you reduce the air, just drink. I can't. No, he has more in there. I can't even get the tile to do what I want to do. So now I couldn't have taken that tile because it makes no sense because you just have that amount. Yeah, they do. Yeah. It will. Oh, they see the talk. You go in and look.
Yeah, you better go in and come out like I flash, you know.
Guys, oh Lord. So I don't know. We're at Miyakumoto. At a different. Cause I'm going to go look.
Why?
Cause I need to go look. So if we go make Mario pick, no, me have to go in there go look. We go pick together.
Well, no,
This is a union. That's why.
they go pick quick. Because anytime you want to go and want blast it, so feel like I know. Like when you live in there. You live in there? No.
Well, if we're spending our money in there, might as well. Oh God, where me not a permanent? So where you think I buy for sure? Up. Up the way.
That's how I want to buy. Why they go to when I'm inside backyard?
You can sell that backside.
Yeah.
And you have a feel for something there.
No.
Other spaces. So that the one that you can put on top of that one. Except you. Alright guys, we are going inside. You can't come out there? Put on the in tablet theme.
In tablet they are about 7%.
So no charge in here.
Nothing charge.
I think I did put it on the charge. I don't know what happened to it.
Yeah, just like I put the camera on charge on the check.
That wasn't my fault.
That was your fault.
Here, plug it in here so.
Where are we?
Okay. Guys, just stop. Let me get my bread. Oh, this is hot bread. Is it ever come to Jamaica?
Look for me, I picture.
Yeah, go straight to the bakery, buy some hot bread. The best time to eat it.
I'm going to the party.
At least with cheese.
I love it with cheese. I love all the chiffon butter. Oh my goodness. You're a full house.
No bread. Okay.
It's just hiding up in the back. Yeah, missing face. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, let me see it. Let's show you the traffic. So all the kids are going home. I love seeing kids in uniform. I just love it.
I've been to school.
I love seeing the kids them in their uniform and nice dress, hair, nice up and done. They go to school. But we're in traffic.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight.
Wow. Say, no, this is the heart of Montego Bay.
Some shop square.
Yeah, so they're about to put up the Christmas tree. It hasn't been put up yet. Right there, so they're not put up yet. They're not put up it yet, guys. But you see, they're putting up the colors and all that stuff. There. But as you see, the traffic is hectic. Yeah, see Popeye's right here, so. Yeah, so Popeyes and I know Burger King is right here now too. Burger King did there, so when we came here last year. Right here. Yeah, I know, so they did down there, so that's time they asked if they did move, and then just recently moved it.
Close up everything. I show a breast. I show boobs.
So see, so they're gonna decorate the, I guess the tree that we're putting up.
Police?
Mm-mm. You be like, no, no. They can't see that car, right?
Man, you not still them. Cock up in the ear.
The town is busy.
Cock up everywhere and the police in there. Is it?
Oh, and this is St. James Street? Huh? St. James Street, busy.
He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm in Santana and I'm looking for. Oh, let me see if I find like.
They like the things up high.
Do you have any black ornaments? Yes. Because the theme I'm going for this year, but I haven't seen.
From the day I haven't seen any black.
No. Gosh.
So you can't take the crease out.
Yes. I haven't seen none at all. Okay. I'll look around. Thank you though. Let me see. Yeah, so I guess they're very festive in here. Hey. Let me see. I'm trying to see if I can find my ribbon. Do you have any black ribbon?
Left? Yes, see. I don't
Do you have the little ones?
This is the one pick up. This is a really good one. The small.
Okay, so there's the powder.
You can use these on me.
This is what I want for him. And then,
Oh,
but
this is
I'm trying to
shampoo.
find the soap that I had last time for him. No, this is not what I even had for him. Hold on. Let me not see any other something new. Baby stupid. It's like baby lotion for baby products for Romario, because the last time I came in here they had the cute stuff in here for the baby smell good stuff. And now they don't. I don't know what happened. They coming like they just
Yeah,
run out of
our
all
stuff.
the nice stuff from. But the stuff that I bought for him last time it was in here, it was so good, and now I can't even find it. I don't know what's going on. It's like they switch up the whole place. I don't know. Maybe some of the stuff that is discontinued, perhaps. I mean, I see the stuff that Mommy did see that I bought in here last time. I don't see it. How much for one of these? $5.50. Nice something. Here, take one of these with us. Take this thing here. We'll wash this bottle. I'm gonna put this one back. I look for the wash and I can't find it.
1, 2, 3, 24.
Here, let me get this one for puffs. Or something there. That one smells nice. Okay. There's something there. My name is this. Oh, sorry. Oh, here. Where's that? Just pick up. Pick up.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure